Start by removing bed cap. Then remove connectors. Remove front bolts from bed rail. With wider end of spacer plate towards cab, align spacer plate with holes on bed rail. Tape spacer plate down for ease of installation. Reinstall bed cap, ensuring to leave a 1/4 inch gap at front. Align outside edge of drill guide to inside ridge, ensuring radius of drill guide and bed cap align. Tape drill guide down for ease of installation. Using drill guide as template, drill holes through bed cap only. Align holes in rail with holes drilled in bed cap. Place lock washer and flat washer on M6 bolts. Starting at front, install bolts through rail, drill guide, bed cap, and spacer plate into factory weld nuts. Remove rear taillight assembly and place clamp plate underneath rear hole drilled in bed cap. Place flat washer on bolt and insert through rail, drill guide, bed cap, and spacer plate. Then thread into clamp plate and fully tighten. Reinstall taillight assembly, then remove tape. Torque M6 bolts to 100 inch-pounds or 8.4 foot-pounds. Repeat on opposite side. For remaining rack installation, refer to standard instructions.